Hey y'all, I'm Fred. Today we're headed out to the Blackwater River State Forest to do some camping, some jeeping, and just have a good time. But first, with all Jeep trips, we hit the gas station. Well, we made it to camp here at Krul Lake, and I don't know if you can see down there. We'll go down there here in a little bit, but the lake is actually empty. There's no water in the lake, so I guess it's a Krul Lake bed this weekend. But we got a pretty quiet campsite so far. We do have some neighbors right here. They're hunters. I see they got their tree stands behind the camper there, but they left and didn't take them with them. Got the shower tent there, and got the little camper set up, ready to go. And here's my little table with all my boxes on it. And we just about got the coffee station set up for the morning. That's the most important thing. And around here we do have power, so that's kind of nice. We can run heat tonight. And then over, let's see what we got going here. Inside the little camper, we're kind of set up. Ooh, focus, focus, focus. It's a little bit unkept, but it'll do. Got the TV there. Got the Xbox hanging on the wall behind it. And Steve's yelling over there at something. He didn't bring any radio, so I know he's not yelling at an antenna. And up there we got the Starlink. And we'll go over here, and Steve's got his normal cadre of equipment, except no radio this weekend.
No, I have a radio in my Jeep. I can set it up. It's not set up right now. Maybe tomorrow.
Maybe tomorrow, old man says. We are going to do a trail ride tomorrow, so that was kind of the focus of this weekend. And then Frank over here with his Gazelle T3. And he got his Jeep parked right there. Steve's got his Starlink set up over there. And this is going to be camp for the next couple of days. Hopefully it doesn't fill in, but I suspect it will, because it's nice and quiet right now. But we'll see. It would appear that we have a antenna project going up. And so far I don't think they know exactly what they're doing, but I have high confidence that they'll figure it out. I really do. And wait for Frank to go for a throw here. Nope, not yet. We'll come back to it when he goes for a throw, when he starts winding up. All right, actually I think what's going on here is we have a mid-century medieval trebuchet to launch said wire into said tree. Yeah, we're gonna definitely have to see how this turns out. Oh, uh-oh. I have a feeling choice words will be coming soon, so we'll come back to this. All right, I think the plan has been derived.
That tree doesn't have that. That tree, the limb is from the other tree. Correct. So, what do you want it for? All right.
I think some engineering is taking place here.
You got the other end of this rope.
Let's see how they don't know how to get this. We can get this on film. Let's see what happens here. Is there any kind of aiming situation here?
I'm guessing I'm aiming. I just want you to hold on to the end of it so it doesn't take off. I don't know how far it's going to go.
All right, this is just a test, folks. Oh! But it was a successful proof of concept for sure. Now we just get a little bit more oomph to the matter.
Yeah, well, we didn't know how much oomph we needed.
Yeah, well, we need more oomph. All right, we got, looks like round 2 here.
So maybe Rebecca got fired, I don't know.
Got a little bit more pressure here.
Yeah, okay. I can get more if you want. That should be good. Here we go.
Here we go.
Where? Oh, perfect.
Oh yeah, there we go.
Fantastic.
Look at that. Look at that.
What do you think?
That's a
It wasn't very expensive. It was like $89.
wow.
But
That's quite the piece of equipment there. That's pretty well built. I like it. All right. We've had a successful wire deployment.
wow.
We're digging it.
Well done.
And no elbows were injured.
Yes. And my arm is still
And his arm is working perfectly fine. So, all right, we'll call that a win.
so,
Well, the issue we're having is the wire keeps breaking. And I think now we're and possibly an even better connection. But we'll see how these follies continue here in a minute. This is Krul Lake. Well, it's normally a lake in the summertime, but in the wintertime they drain it. They do this to help control algae and grass population, also to help with the fish population, which is kind of odd considering there's no fishing allowed in the lake. It is a swimming pond only. Some of the locals call it Munson Pool. It's about 6.5 acres and probably 6 feet deep at the deepest point. Interesting thing about this campground at Krul Lake, no pets are allowed, so you gotta leave Fido at home. But it's a beautiful little campground, and we're gonna head back to camp and see what's going for dinner. Well, we did some ham radio, messing around the camp, and now we're busting out some bacon wrapped
stuffed jalapenos.
jalapenos are going on to the griddle.
So I guess you only got 5, or you got not 3. You got two and a half. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think I got
7 of them. That'll be plenty for us.
Yep.
All right, we're gonna let those get to sizzling. And
put the cover on them once you get your video, and so I'm gonna put a cover on them.
cover it up. We'll get to cooking here. All right, next up, we got the asparagus in overland Florida style here. Yeah, it's gonna be good. Boys are digging into the jalapeno poppers. Frank's getting a head start on the tater salad. Gonna be good. All right, asparagus is done. And the burgers
You guys don't want a bun.
are going on. No bun for me, thank you.
I'll have a bun.
Steve will have a bun.
These are the good ones. Oh, the real?
Miami burgers, I'm being told. Look pretty good and sizzly. Well, it's morning time. Yeah, we're getting some Fender coffee going here. These guys are up already, up and at it. Yeah, but we're gonna join them here. Get a little breakfast going after we have a little bit of coffee. And then we're gonna get out on to doing some riding around on the trails. Should be a good day. I shall report back. All right, we are at the starting point of our trail ride for today. And we're gonna be going to a little, we call it a little north loop here at Blackwater River State Forest. So this is where we start. We start at Restore here at the intersection of Highway 4 and 191, or Munson Highway. And Steve's going to go in there probably to use the bathroom. So we're going to load up here once Steve gets back. And we're going to head west on Highway 4 until we reach our first turnoff. And we'll let you know where that is. Back at camp, went to the trail ride and had a good time. Ran around for, I don't know, 3 or 4 hours. And came back. We've just been hanging out at camp. And Frank went for a bike ride there for a little bit. And now he's over there doing some ham radio things. And I'm working on videos over here. And Steve is over here working on FT8, which is a digital mode which interprets signals that come through the radio into the computer, and the computer interprets it and displays them on that screen. And over here, it will depict where the stations are calling from, down there. And then there is his Yaesu FTX1 with the amplifier on it.
Yeah,
Optima.
FTX1 Optima.
But can you turn it up a little bit, Steve, the audio? So that's the signal coming in that the computer is interpolating and then putting it up on the screen. So that's how FT8 works as a digital mode on ham radio.
Checking to see if the frequency is clear. Calling CQ. There's no luck. I've done about 5
Frank's
times.
doing some hardcore ham radio action here.
I may go to 40 meters. There's always people doing CW on 40.
I'm on 20 right now.
Okay.
I don't think he's having much luck, but he's giving it the old try Rudy.
Yeah, go back to data for next time.
Yeah, that's something that's way above my pay grade. So Fred won't be doing that anytime soon. So we'll let Frank keep at it. Well, that's going to do it for this trip. I didn't film anything else because we didn't do anything else worth filming. We had literally the exact same dinner we had the night before. So put the camera away, enjoy the time with the guys, and getting the head out here, going home. Frank did end up making quite a few contacts on CW, which was really cool. But at any rate, we had a great time, and we'll see you on the next one.